Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the iQOO 9 SE device versus iQOO 9 smartphone. Snapdragon 888 processor versus Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset. And let's see friends, how is the CPU throttling test comparison between these both phones and how much high temperatures the both phone can actually increase. These are the few things which I'll try to concentrate in this video while comparing side by side between these both phones. So first, let me need to open exactly the CPU throttling test comparison between these two devices. Let me need to open throttling test, and during this process of demonstration I'll not use any kind of monster mode or any kind of ultra game mode, nothing, and same settings I'm trying to use between these both phones, exactly 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. Let's do this test continuously friends and let's find out. And let me need to put the phone in airplane mode, so there's SIM card in this device, that's the reason. And right now, first in the initial time, the temperature is about 32 degrees and 32.6, exactly same temperature. My room temperature is about 31.4 degrees Celsius. Both phones are having exactly same temperature going on at this moment, so regarding the throttling and everything. And right now let's continue the CPU throttling test. Let's see friends how much difference can be there between these both phones regarding the performance scores and regarding overall throttling scores as well. So this test is completely done using 100 threads for 15 minutes of time. Again, I'll be back after 5 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see, there is a quick comparison between these both phones, Snapdragon 888 and the Snapdragon 888 Plus. You can definitely see the temperatures did increase up to 40.4 degrees Celsius, 40.4. Same temperature is maintaining between these both processors, and my room temperature is about 32 degrees and 31 degrees. 40 and 40, exactly same temperature, nothing much difference. And regarding the performance scores, you can see clearly what's happening regarding the throttling and everything. You can see the performance scores exactly slightly higher in the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset. So I will be back after some time, maybe after 12 or 30 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, when the CPU throttling test results were slightly reaching to the end of the test scores, it's about 14 minutes of time. You can clearly see 14 minutes. So let's check the temperatures, what's happening. 41.4 and 40.8. Snapdragon 888 Plus 41.2, 41.2. So very close regarding the temperatures, nothing much huge difference between these both processors anyway, but slight difference regarding the performance scores between these both phones, exactly, little bit, but it's not a huge difference, I would say, just a little bit. Finally, we got the CPU throttling up to 80% and 79%. Try to look at the maximum scores. Maximum, the Snapdragon 888 Plus scored about 341, 327, average 277, 291, 258 and 267. So in every ratio, the iQOO 9 is slightly higher. I mean, Snapdragon 888 Plus is slightly higher in terms of the overall CPU throttling test results. And CPU throttled up to 79% and 80%. Nothing much huge difference between these both phones regarding the throttling effect. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this quick comparison between these both phones. And meanwhile, signing off until next time for more updates, and bye.